Hello, thank you for joining us today. Welcome to a new series, Modern Money Mastery. Welcome to our Modern Money Mastery program, a financial literacy training designed to help you overcome common financial challenges. This is a program of the nonprofit organization Help Me Help You. You can find more information on our website. Visit this page often for weekly content on our new Money Mastery program. Sample class topics include how to save more money, how to lower expenses, examples to be more frugal, and information on resources and more. Send us an email at info@helpmehelpyou.org to sign up for more detailed Modern Money Mastery classes. These classes are designed to help you improve your financial situation. New classes will be posted every week, so please come back and join us. Do not forget to send us an email with your name, phone number to sign up for more classes. We will have virtual and in-person classes coming soon. Here is our contact information. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Also visit our social media pages. Thank you, and we will see you on the next video.